Hi everyone, that's Didito's channel, and today I'll show you how to crochet this cute cherry keychain. The button is super easy, beginner friendly, and it didn't speed up, so it's easier for you to follow. It takes little time to crochet one and very little yarn, so you can use your leftovers. Let's look at the materials and tools you're going to need to crochet one. You'll need 2 colors of yarn, a crochet hook suitable for the yarn chosen, some fiber fill to stuff your cherries, scissors, a sewing needle to weave in the yarn tails, and I'll use a piece of thread instead of a stitch marker, and a keychain basis if you want to make it a keychain, and pliers to fasten it. That's it! Let's start crocheting. We'll first crochet the cherries. I'll start by a magic circle. And now you need to crochet 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one, 6. Now I'll pull the tail to fasten the ring, and the first round is ready. I'll mark the round's beginning, and now I'll crochet the second round, which is 6 increases. This means you need to crochet 2 single crochets in each stitch around. So that's the first increase, 1, and the second single crochet into the same stitch. Now increase number 2, 1, and 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 3, 1, and 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 4, 1, 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 5, 1, and 2 into the same stitch. And the last increase for the round, 1, and the second single crochet into the same stitch. So the second round is ready, and you should have 12 stitches in total. Now again, I'll mark the round's beginning and continue expanding the cherry. This time we need to crochet a single crochet followed by an increase 6 times. So a single crochet first. Now the first increase, 1 and 2 into the same stitch. A single crochet again, the second increase, 1 and 2 into the same stitch, a single crochet, one more increase, 1 and 2 into the same stitch, a single crochet, an increase, 1, 2 into the same stitch, a single crochet again, an increase again, 1, 2 into the same stitch, and the last time a single crochet, and the last increase for the round, 1, and the second single crochet into the same stitch. The round is ready, and you should have 18 stitches in total. We mark the round's beginning again. We don't need to increase anymore, so we are going to crochet 4 even rounds, which means you crochet a single crochet in each stitch around, 18 stitches in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. The first even round is ready. Now we need to crochet 3 more rounds, a single crochet in each stitch around. And I'm going to skip a bit and meet you when all the even rounds are ready. I've crocheted all the even rounds, 4 rounds in total, and I have 18 stitches here. And now I'll start decreasing so the cherry has a round shape. So first mark the rounds beginning, and now we need to crochet a single crochet followed by a decrease 6 times. So first a single crochet, now the first decrease, a single crochet again, and the second decrease, one more single crochet, and the third decrease, a single crochet, a decrease, a single crochet, a decrease, and the last time a single crochet and the last decrease. The round is ready and you should have 12 stitches in total. Before we continue crocheting, we need to stuff the cherry. Now I'll crochet the last round and it's 6 decreases. One, two, three, four, 5, and the last decrease 6. Now cut the thread, leaving a tail for sewing, and pull it through the loop. You can remove the marker, and you can stuff a bit more if you need. Now insert the tail into the needle and close off the hole. I insert the needle through front loops only. Now pull the tail to tighten and insert the needle into the center of the hole. Come out somewhere and fasten off. Now just weave in the tail. The first cherry is ready. Crochet the second one following the same pattern. Both cherries are ready. Now we need to connect them and crochet the leaf. We first attach the green yarn to the first cherry. Make a chain. And now we need to crochet 10 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll crochet the first leaf. We need to crochet 5 more chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we crochet a single crochet into the second stitch from the hook, so you need to skip 1 loop, and then crochet a single crochet. Now 2 half double crochets, 1, and the second half double crochet into the next stitch. Now 3 single crochets into the same chain, 1, 2, Now we turn the work and crochet the third single crochet into the same stitch, but on the other side of the chain. So that's the third one. Now again we crochet 2 half double crochets, one and the second one into the next stitch, and we crochet one more single crochet into the last stitch. The leaf is ready, but we need to cut the yarn to the start of the leaf. That is why we turn the leaf and we will crochet through the stitches which are located in the middle of the leaf. You need to crochet a slip stitch in each stitch. So that's one. Now the second one, the third slip stitch, and the last one. Now I'll crochet through the edges of the leaf, connecting them. A single crochet connecting the edges of the leaf. Now we crochet 5 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a single crochet into the stitch of the leaf. And you can see that there is a loop here. We are going to use it to attach the keychain bases. Now I'll make one more single crochet into the chain stitch, and I'll crochet 10 more chain stitches to attach the second cherry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now attach the second cherry. Just a slip stitch. Cut the thread, leaving a tail for sewing, and pull it through the loop. Actually, the cherries are ready, but we need to fasten the tails and weave them in. First fasten, now the same for the second cherry. Now just attach a metal ring to the keychain and then attach the keychain bases. The keychain is ready. Hope you've enjoyed crocheting it with me. Follow Didi Toys for more amigurumi tutorials and crochet hacks. See you!